Welcome to Cranfield University. My name is Xiaoyi. I'm going to show you around our wide range of accommodation options to make your choice easier. The tour will take place in alphabetical order, and you can use the chapters in the video below or time codes in the description to navigate through the video. The locations of each of the halls will also be highlighted on our virtual map. Please note, our on-campus accommodation fees include utility bills and wireless internet. We start our tour at Baroness Young, which is a self-catered option within close proximity to the sports hall and tennis courts. Follow me inside. This hall provides various options to suit your accommodation needs. Choose from ensuite rooms with communal kitchens and self-contained studio apartments with a private kitchen and bathroom. Each room comes fully furnished. If you live in one of the ensuite rooms, you will share your spacious kitchen with 3 to 8 other students. Each communal kitchen also has a dining table and a comfortable lounge, and the kitchens also come equipped. If you choose to live on campus, you will be provided with a kitchen and a bedding pack. Baroness Young accommodation houses a spacious and comfortable student lounge, which is available for all Baroness Young students. This accommodation also houses the laundrette. There are a number of laundries located around the campus, available to students 24/7. The laundry service works using a handy app. Simply scan the QR code, pay and return to collect once your laundry is done. The next accommodation option I want to show you is just located next door to Baroness Young. Chilver Hall are self-catered blocks of flats with single ensuite rooms and shared kitchen facilities, perfect for single students. These ensuite rooms in Chilver come with a cozy bed as well as all of the furnishings. They are self-catered halls, which means that the kitchen facilities are shared between 5 to 7 students. If you are planning to travel to the UK with your child or children, our family houses might be the perfect option for you. These fully furnished houses are available as 2, 3, or 4 bedroom properties, which will be allocated based on number, age, and gender of your children. But make sure you apply early as these houses prove to be popular. Let's check it out inside. All our houses are self-catered and come with a kitchen, lounge, bathroom, and bedrooms, all of which are fully furnished. What's more, there is goods for older children close by. Next up is Fedden House. The accommodation option is ideal for couples without children who are looking to rent together. It's situated in a quiet location, which means you can enjoy the peace and relax after a day on campus. Come on, have a look with me. Inside one of these studio flats, you will find a bedroom and a living area, a kitchen, bathroom, and a study area, separated from the living room to enable quiet working. The apartment comes fully furnished. Back to some more traditional halls of residence for single occupants. Lanchester Hall is a large and sociable hall of residence. It features rooms of different sizes with either ensuite or shared bathroom options you can choose from. This hall is a budget-friendly option, which is located just a short walk away from the sports hall and tennis court if you want to get some exercise. Both the ensuite and standard non-ensuite rooms come in small, medium, and large sizes, and each bedroom is fully furnished. As this accommodation is self-catered, the kitchens are shared between students living in each flat. If you choose the ensuite option, you will have a private bathroom with a shower, toilet, and wash basin. If you choose the non-ensuite room, you will share the bathrooms and kitchen with 4 to 8 students. If you are looking for something a bit different from your traditional hall of residence, our self-catered shared houses might be a solution. Follow me inside. Our shared houses come fully furnished and include a shared kitchen and bathroom. They are located around the campus and they are all quite unique. They are shared between 3 to 7 students per house, and there is usually at least one shower and toilet on each floor of the house. The bedrooms also come fully furnished, and you have a selection of room sizes to choose from. The smallest are around 9 meters squared and the largest at 25 meters squared. Our final stop is Stringfellow Hall. These shared flats offer a choice of catered or self-catered single ensuite rooms. Let's head inside to have a look. All the bedrooms in Stringfellow come fully furnished, and as they are all ensuite, you don't have to worry about sharing your bathroom. The kitchen facilities for standard room students are shared between all the housemates living in the flat, which can be up to 5 people. Catered room students will be supplied with a meal card which will be loaded with a meal allowance each month. The card can be used at our on-campus restaurant facilities. Please be aware this is one of our most popular options, so we advise that you apply as early as possible as spaces are limited. If you are a part-time student, attending one of our short courses, or registered for an event at our Cranfield campus, we are pleased to offer ensuite accommodation at Mitchell Hall, Stringfellow Hall, or at Cranfield Management Development Center. Click on the link above to find out more. If you are British military when you join a course based on our Shrivenham site, you will be sent an email explaining how to reserve your room at the military accommodation. Civilians will need to arrange their own accommodation in one of our neighboring towns or villages. We hope you enjoyed our tour of Cranfield University's accommodation. We can't wait to welcome you into our community. If you have any questions, please either visit our website or contact our dedicated accommodation team.